Sarionek Cafe and Zokia. Sarionek. Okay, I'm ready. I took a glance. I thought about you and me and our wonderful romance. Thinking of your grace, and baby, ooh, I realize it's a dream that will never ever be. I'm a victim of a perfectly executed plan. Yes, I'm the victim of circumstance. Victim of circumstance. Victim tra-la-la, victim of circumstance. I'd like to tell you just how I feel, and that being alone with you gives me such a wonderful thrill. I'll tell you I love you just as soon as I can. But right now I'm the victim of circumstance. I need your love, but I can't take it from you. Let you have anything to do with me. But if you take a little time, I'll make you mine. I'm the victim of circumstance. Victim, victim, victim. Victim of circumstance. Yes, I'm the victim of circumstance. Oh, my baby.
Wow.
We good? We good?